If you're looking for an automation tool, you have probably heard about OpenClaw and N8N. Both are powerful automation platforms, but they work in very different ways. One focuses on AI driven automation, while the other is built around visual workflows and integrations. So, in this video, we'll compare them based on features, ease of use, pros and cons, pricing, and which one is better for different use cases. Let's get started. What is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is an AI native automation agent that lets you automate tasks using natural language. And instead of building workflows manually, you simply tell the AI what you want and it figures out how to do it. For example, you could say, check my emails, summarize important ones, and notify me on Slack. The AI agent then decides the steps needed to complete that task. OpenClaw also includes features like persistent memory that remembers past interactions, AI reasoning for complex decisions, messaging integrations like Slack or Telegram, support for multiple AI models. Because of this approach, OpenClaw feels more like talking to an AI assistant than programming an automation workflow. What is N8N? N8N is a workflow automation platform similar to tools like Zapier or Make. But unlike those tools, N8N is open source and self hostable. Instead of using natural language, you build automations using a visual node based editor. A typical workflow looks like this: trigger, action, action, output. For example, when a new customer signs up, add them to your CRM, send a welcome email, notify your team in Slack. N8N is known for its huge integration library with hundreds of built-in connections to different services. So while OpenClaw focuses on AI automation, N8N focuses on structured workflows. Key features comparison. OpenClaw features. OpenClaw focuses heavily on AI capabilities, including natural language automation, persistent memory, AI reasoning for complex tasks, messaging based interface, browser and web automation. This makes it ideal for AI assistants and intelligent agents. N8N features. N8N focuses more on structured automation, including Visual Workflow Builder, more than 100 integrations, scheduling and triggers, data transformation tools, team collaboration features. This makes it great for business automation and system integrations. Pros and cons. OpenClaw Pros. Very easy to start using. Natural language automation, AI powered reasoning, persistent memory and context, works inside messaging apps. OpenClaw Cons. Fewer built-in integrations, less predictable automation results, smaller ecosystem, no visual workflow builder. Because AI makes decisions automatically, it can sometimes be less predictable than structured workflows. N8N Pros. Visual workflow builder, huge integration ecosystem, highly reliable and predictable, strong community and documentation, excellent for complex automation. And of course, nothing is perfect and it has some cons. So for N8 cons, we have it requires manual workflow setup, steep learning curve, and AI capabilities are limited compared to AI agents. In short, N8N gives you more control, but OpenClaw gives you more automation intelligence. Pricing. OpenClaw pricing. OpenClaw is open source, so you can self-host it. Typically, costs include VPS hosting about $5 to $20 per month. AI model usage depends on your API usage. Some managed hosting solutions start around $29 per month. N8N pricing. N8N also offers a free self-hosted version. If you use their cloud version, starter plan around 24 euros per month, pro plan about 60 euros per month. Enterprise plans are much higher. Pricing mainly depends on workflow executions per month. When should you use each tool? Use OpenClaw if you want AI assistance, conversational automation, intelligent task handling, natural language workflows. Use N8N if you want reliable workflow automation, integrations between business tools, data processing pipelines, predictable step by step automation. Some companies actually use both together. OpenClaw handles the AI decisions while N8N executes the automation workflows. Final verdict. So which one is better? It depends on what you are building. Choose OpenClaw if you want an AI-powered automation agent. Choose N8N if you want a powerful workflow automation platform with full control. Think of it this way. OpenClaw equal AI assistant for automation, N8N equal workflow engine for integrations. Both are powerful, just designed for different types of automation. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find it helpful, please consider like and subscribe, and share this video to your friend that wants to know more about N8N and OpenClaw. Turn on the bell icon to get all the new. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new comparison video.